Hello children, today in this video we are going to start with our new exercise, that is exercise 5.4. In this exercise we will do the division, multiplication and the simplification. So children, division and multiplication is much easier than addition and subtraction. In this you have to simply multiply the numerators or the denominators, and if you can cancel them or you can change them into simplest fraction, that you can change and then only you can multiply. Now first part is given to you, 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. So in this we can see that 2 and 4 can be cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. What is my final answer? 3 and 7 twos are 14. Second part, 3 by 7 into 14 by 4. We can cancel 7 and 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So I am left with 3 twos are 6 and 4. And 6 and 4 can be cancelled with a table of 2, which is 3 by 2. So my final answer will be 3 by 2. But it is an improper fraction, so we can change this into mixed fraction. Next, third is 4 by 5 into 5. So if there is nothing below 5, we can write 1 as the denominator. So 4 into 5 is equals to 20 by 5, and that we can also cancel. Or we can also cancel 5 and final answer will be 4. Fourth part is 4 by 5 into 5 by 7. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9 by 5 into 5 by 7. It will be 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Answer will be 9 by 7, and change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So that I have changed 1 2 by 7. Next is 2 1 by 7 into 7 2 by 8. So change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 15 by 7 into 58 by 8. So we can cancel this with a table of 2. 2 4s and 2 29s. When you will multiply 15 and 29, you will get 435 and 7 4s 28. Now convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, which is 15 whole 15 by 28. Next is 3 terms are given to you, 2 by 7, 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. 7 and 7 can be cut out, 2 and 8 can be cancelled, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 2 4s are 8. So here we will get 3 by 16. Seventh part is 3 1 by 4 into 1 2 by 7 into 7 by 5. Convert all these mixed fractions into improper fraction, and you can see that 7 and 7 can be cancelled. When you will multiply the terms of numerator, you will get 117 and 4 5s are 20. Now convert them, you will get 5 17 by 20. Question 2 children, in this division is there. Now whenever we have to divide, or whenever we will change the sign of divide, we will change the sign of divide into multiplication, and this number which is next to the sign of division, that will be the reciprocal. That is 2 by 3 multiply by 9 by 1, and then you have to proceed with the same steps. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, so 2 3s are 6. Second part you can do it easily. Third part of this question, 3 2 by 3 divided by 2 1 by 7. So convert them first of all into improper fractions. 11 by 3 divided by 15 by 7, or 11 by 3, change this divide into multiplication, and 7 by 15. Nothing can be cancelled. 77 by 45, change this into mixed fraction. Next again the same thing, 7 by 5, divide will be changed into multiply, and here it will be reciprocal, 5 by 2. Cancel the terms 5 and 5, you will get 7 by 2. Change them into mixed fraction, 3 1 by 2. Change all these mixed fractions into improper fraction. Cancel out the terms. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Here what will we get? 17 into 2, 34, 34 into 2, 68. And here 5. So convert this 68 by 5 into mixed fraction, third in 3 by 5. Question third is simplify, in which you will get the signs of multiplication, division, addition or subtraction, and then you have to simplify. Whenever we are simplifying children, keep always one thing in your mind, that is BODMAS. BODMAS means first of all we have to remove the bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the question given to you. First of all we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we will get 1 by 4 into 11 by 5, divide sign into multiplication, 5 by 3 and plus 1 by 2. So first of all we will solve the multiplication, then only addition. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So we will get 11 by 12 plus 1 by 2. Now take the LCM. LCM of 12 and 2 is 12, and 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 into 11, 11. 12 divided by 2, 6. So we will multiply these terms with 6. Here it is 12 and 1 6 is 6. 12 plus 6, 17 by 12. And here we will get 1 5 by 12. Second is 1 1 by 4 of 3 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 plus 1 1 by 2. So here change all of them into improper fraction, and 5 by 4 of 10 by 3 divide into multiply 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So of means multiply only. 5 by 4 multiply 10 by 3 multiply 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Cancel the terms. 50 by 9 plus 3 by 2. Take the LCM. 18. 18 divided by 9, 2. 100 and 18 divided by 2. It is 3. 3 into 3. 3 3 is a, 18 divided by 2. It is equals to 9, and here also 9. So 3 9s are 27, and here what will come? 100, because we have multiplied this with 2. So 100 plus 27, 127 by 18. When you will convert them into mixed fraction, you will get 7 1 by 18. Similar is the third part. 1 1 by 5 of 2 1 by 7 divided by 2 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 and plus 5 by 7. Convert all these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 6 by 5 multiply 15 by 7 divided by 11 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. Change this divide sign into multiplication, and whatever you can cancel, cancel them. So we will get 18 by 7, here 4 by 11 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 7. And now multiply them. 18 into 4 is equal to 72, and 7 into 11 is equal to 77. Then minus 3 by 2 and plus 5 by 7. According to BODMAS, we have to first of all add the terms, or directly we can also take the LCM. LCM of 77, 2 and 7 will be 154. 154 divided by 77. We will get 2. So multiply with 2. You will get 144 here, and here again you will divide 154 by 2. You will get 77. So multiply 77 with 3. You will get 231, and 154 divided by 7. You will get 22. 22 into 5 will be 110. Now add the terms according to BODMAS. 144 plus 110. 254 minus 231. So when you will subtract them, you will get 23 by 154. Next question, children, of the same, next part of the same question. 3 by 7, change this divide into multiply. 7 by 5 plus 3 by 2, and off means multiply 5 by 6. So cancel the terms. You will get 3 by 5 plus 3 by 2 into 5 by 6. Take the LCM. 6 plus 15 by 10 into 5 by 6. Whatever you can cancel, cancel them. Final answer will be 7 by 10. Children, 5th and 6th part easily you can do in this. Now question number 4th and 5th we will do in the next video, children. So thank you, children.